So, Clamp, the creators of Sakura Tokyo Babylon and X 1999, released a new art book that I went ahead and got, and I want to share with you the opening of this. Whoop. New book smell. So let's take a look at the art book. First, they made an expo in Japan that, of course, I couldn't have possibly gone. But look at this artwork. I love the artwork from Clamp. This is from YunierViada. This is from X 1999. That's Kamui. YunierViada again. I'm absolutely obsessed with Clamp's works. From Tsubasa again. Those women Kakato Sakura. And yeah,